So we have to pull it gradually. So this is how our mic look like, our wireless mic, K9 wireless mic. It comes with two microphone, then comes with a transmitter. I'll bring them all out. Then this an Android port. So let me pull it out. So this part is for Type C. Type C is the transmitter. Then these are wireless mic. The wireless mic. It's on the back. There's a part to on it. So just press on it for a long while. Then these are it comes. Why is beeping red and green? Because there's no signal yet. So it comes with two mic, which you can like pin it on your dress, right? So this is the other one. Then this is the transmitter. This is the one you put on your phone. Transmitter. This one comes with Type C. My phone is Type C, so it comes with Type C. Then we have our charger as well. So this is it. This is the charger that comes with Type C. How you can use your K9 wireless mic stress free. So come with me, let me show you the process.
Of paint and words we blend, a journey starts where the sides transcend. No map to guide, just the heart and drive. In this atelier, beauty comes alive. NERO'S beauty atelier takes the stage, turning ideas to a brighter page, crafting a world where dreams take flight, illuminating day, chasing the night. A journey starts where the sides transcend. No map to guide, just the heart and drive. In this atelier